Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. What up? What day is it? It's Tuesday, right? For you guys. It's Monday for me, Tuesday for you. SAT day, remote day. For those of you that watch this, good for you. For those of you that don't, well, I guess I'm not really talking to you because you're not watching. But remember, so Tuesday's remote day. We got this video, 6-4. Wednesday is review/makeup day. You got to see if you got stuff you got to make up. If you do, come talk to me. We'll get it in. If you don't, well, then you're good to go. I'll just work on homework on Wednesday. Thursday is going to be the review day where I walk you through it. Friday, test. Friday is when all homework is due. It is football season, so plus or minus 3 or 4 days is usually when I get the grades in, but you're playing with fire. Anytime after Friday, you're playing with fire. Okay? Also, Rod Wave, Polo G, best duo since Pac and Biggie. I said it. I absolutely said it. I just listened to Street Runner by Rod Wave. It's so good. Everything on that new album so good. And Polo G is just godlike. Sorry. I digress. It's 9:16 at night. What do you want me to do? What else? That's it. I'm wearing a headset just because it looks cool. Definitely is not connected to my laptop. And that's okay. Okay, so we got 6-4. Okay, 6-4 is transformations. We've been doing transformations for 3-4 months now. I don't foresee this being a hard section, hence why I chose it to be a remote lesson. Okay, so let's jump into it. We got 4 types. So we got uno, horizontal, 2, vertical, left and right, up and down, 3, reflection of the x-axis. We're not doing y-axis. 4, stretch or shrink. Remember Plato, stretch or shrink. Okay? So only thing that's different about the horizontal translations and vertical is we need to figure out what the actual function is. So remember, we have f of x minus h is horizontal. And remember, it's opposite of how our brain thinks, right? So x minus 3 is actually which way? Right or left? If it's minus, your brain thinks left, but it's actually right. It's right 3 units. But remember, the whole point of exponential is the exponent. So the exponent is the actual function here. Okay, so the thing I just put in parentheses is the actual function. That's what we're looking for. It's not this, right? Or this, right? That's vertical. It's actually a part of the function. It's in the parentheses. It's attached to the exponent. That's when we know it's a horizontal. Okay. Tombstone's another good song by Rob. Next, we have the log. Obviously, it's in the parentheses. Remember, it's opposite of your brain thing. So if it's positive, it's left. We should remember that. Left 7 units. Ready? Hopefully I'm recording. I think I am. Okay, so remember, it's outside the parentheses. It's not in the exponent. So this is up 5 for vertical. This is down 1. You would see this if it's in the parentheses. It's not. Okay, so the parentheses are actually here. So this is down 1 because it's outside the parentheses. Okay, next, reflection, stick a negative out in front. Like, come on. Flip x-axis. We've been doing this forever. X-axis. Next, we have vertical stretch, vertical shrink. Do not give me this. Please do not give me this. Okay, that's going to be the number 1 mistake. This right here is going to be the number 1 mistake you guys make in this section. I promise. You guys are going to try to put those constants attached to the base with the exponent. You can't do it. Watch, I'll prove it to you. Okay, so what if we just have, I don't know, let's have 1/2. Let's say we want to stretch 1/2 by, actually, let's do a whole number so it's easier. Let's just do 2x as our original function. Let's say we want to, let's do, I don't know, stretch. Let's say we want to stretch by 5. Okay, let's see what the difference is. Okay, I'll prove you this is completely illegal. I'm saying this right here is illegal. Okay, do not do this. Let's prove it. Okay, so let's do x equals 2 for our proof here. X equals 2. So we have 5 times 2 to the second, and we have 10 to the second. All right. So what is 2 to the second? That's 4, right? 5 times 4 is just 20. What is 10 squared? Are those two equal? No. Okay, I just proved you. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay? Not the Nike commercial. So this is just stretch, leave it out front. This is just stretch by 3. And we have shrink by 3, or 2/3, sorry. Okay. Is that hard? Is that difficult? Remember, shrink has to be between 0 and 1. It's not just a fraction. Remember, 5/2 is a fraction, but it's greater than 1. It's actually a stretch. Okay, anything greater than 1 is a stretch. Anything between 0 and 1 is a shrink. If I multiply u by 1/2, you get smaller. Okay, cut you in half. Okay, we want to describe the transformation of f represented by g. So f is my original, g is my new function. Okay, so this right here is my function. I just did that on purpose so you can see it. Exponentials are a little bit weird. Your brains aren't used to seeing it like this. Okay, but that 1/3 x is the function. That's my f of x. Okay, so how is my original different than my new function? Well, it's got a negative up front. What does that tell me? It's a flip. Negative up front. And it's got +6 on the outside, so it's up 6. Questions, concerns? Oh, wait, there's nobody here. Back to teaching through a computer screen. Love it. Not. Okay, so here's my original function. It's right there, e to the x. Okay, this -4 is included with the function. It's in the parentheses, remember? Okay, because it's in the exponent. So when it's -4 inside the parentheses, it's horizontal, right? But it's -4, so which way, left or right? Your brain tells you left. Remember, horizontal is opposite, so it's right 4 units. It's done. That's only one. Okay, let's spice it up a little bit. This 1/2, is it a stretch or shrink? Is it less than 1? Yep, it is. Shrink by 1/2. That +7 on the inside. What does that tell you? Well, brain says right, but your smartness tells you it's going left 7 because it's positive inside the parentheses. See how quick these are? They should be very fast. Okie doke. This one's easy. It's only 1. Remember, this is outside the parentheses. The parentheses are here. Okay, and that -4/3 is outside. So we're going down 4/3. Pretty simple, guys. Okay. Okay, now we got word problems. I'll do a couple of them. Maybe I'll do 5 and 7. Easy. Yeah, I'll do 6 and 7. I think 5's the easiest. Okay, let's go 6 and 7. Okay, so let me use pretty colors so we don't get messed up. Here's 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. Okay, first step, translation 2 units left. Okay, so this is my f of x. I'm going 2 units left. What do I need to put in the exponent? +2 or -2 if I'm going left? +2, right? Opposite of our brain thinks. Okay, so it's first one done. Next, we have going 3 units up. So remember, it's going to be outside. Okay. Okay. We'll be on blue. Next, we have a vertical stretch by factor 2, but here's the kicker. Okay, we want to put this whole function in parentheses. Okay, so go ahead. Just leave it in parentheses. Don't get crazy. Try to distribute. Don't try to do that. Just leave it in parentheses. I'll know what you mean. Okay, is it illegal to distribute? No, but it worries me because you need to do this if you do it. That's what that would turn into if you wanted to distribute. Okay, but just leave it like this. I know what you mean. We're good. Okay, and 7 log of 12x, translation 5 units right. It's child's play. Okay, so log, let me use pretty colors again. So here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. Okay, so here's my original. I'm going 5 units right, so I'm going to be minus 5 inside the parentheses. Here's the parentheses right there. So we have log base 12 of x minus 5 because we're going right. First step done. Cross it out, sure. 2 units down, so we're outside, minus 2. Outside, minus 2. Good. Next, remember, it's the same thing. Whenever you're putting something out front or multiplying the whole function by it, put this sucker in parentheses. Okay? So it's going to be negative out front, log base 12, x minus 5, minus 2. Now, if you want to distribute that through, okay, you're going to put 1 in front of the log and make that 2 positive. So it'll look like so. Done. This is also the answer up here. Tough about that? No, it's transformation, guys. It's very easy. They're free points on the test. Okay, that's it. Hopefully your SATs went well. Yeah, that makes me nervous for you guys. Taking a 3-hour test is tough. Or I think it's more than that, isn't it? No, maybe 2.5 hours. I have no idea. I'm proctoring tomorrow. I don't even know. I guess we'll both find out. All right, see you guys.